everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name is Linda and today I have happy mail from V, Steals the Show Crochet and Chef. She was actually really good enough to go and do some shopping for me when Hobby Lobby had their clearance, and this is what I'm going to show you today. So in the first bag we have got Yarn Bees Katrina Regal Rose, and it's 99% acrylic and 10% nylon, and 295 yards. So I've got one, two, three of those, and then I've got Yarn Bees Feeling Chunky Dark Denim, and I've got 3 of those, and these are what are these? They're 100% cotton. So I've got them, and then I've got some sock yarn, Peyton's socks, and these are 75% wool, 25% nylon, and this colour is, it doesn't say, Magic Stripes. And then I've got some more, which is the same make, Zebra Stripes, and these are Peyton's sock yarn. So I've got them. In the next bag I have got a Hint of Silk, Shantung, 130 yards, 85% bamboo, 15% silk, and the colour of this is Shantung, and I've got two of those. Let me just put the scissors out of the way, and then I've got Stitch 101 acetate in ivory, and they're 100% acetate, and they're so soft, guys, so soft. I've got some more Stitch 101 in lilac, and they're 180 yards, and they're 50% acetate and 50% modal in the lilac. Isn't that beautiful? And I've got some more. I've got it in Copper Penny. I've got 3 of those, and they are 180 yards and made in Turkey, and these are 100% acrylic, acetate, sorry. I love that colour, guys. And then I've got some more ivory. I think I've got 3 of each, so I've got 3 of each of those. So I've got the ivory, the lilac, and the shatong. So that's them. And in the last bag I have got the Yarn Bee Authentic Hand Dyed Natural Slate, this one's called, and it is Superwash Merino. Isn't that beautiful? So I've got 2 of those, and then I've got this is tie-dyed, and this is a one weight, and it is 50% super merino and 50% lyocell, and this is again a one weight. Oh, let me see. Oh, I've got 2 of these, guys. I've got 2 of the tie-dyed. And then I think I've got 4 of these. I've got 4 of these. And these are, let's see, what are these? These are a 3 weight, 100% superwash merino, and there are 215 yards, 197 meters, and yeah, and there's a 3. So I've got 840 yards, I think. Have I got 800? I've got a bit over 240. So I've got 860 yards there. And I've got, these are the last ones now. So I've got this one. This is the natural slate. So I've actually got 3 of these guys. 3, and they're 420 yards. So I've got 4, 8, 12, 1,260 yards of this colour, which will make a nice wearable. And I've got, this is Flower Fusion, this is a 1 weight, 400 yards, 100% superwash merino, and I've got 2 of them, so I've got 800 yards. That'll make maybe a nice shawl or a wrap. So that's that. And I think, oh, hold on, have I got, oh, I've got 4 of these guys. Yay! So I've got 4 of these. So that is my yarn haul from Hobby Lobby. So I just want to say thank you so much, V, for getting this yarn haul for me. I'm absolutely over the moon with everything that you got me. That's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.